Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect a Bluetooth device with your Windows 10 operating system. So as you can see here, I have this Bluetooth device here which I want to connect to my Windows 10 operating system. This is a JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. So first of all, I'm going to just start it or just switch it on, and once this Bluetooth speaker is on, I'm going to just go to my Windows 10 operating system, and here you just need to click on this icon which says notification. So just click on this small icon on the right hand bottom side, and then here you will be able to see the all settings option. So just click on the all settings option here, and here you will be able to see this devices option. So just click on devices option, and here you will be able to see Bluetooth and other devices option. Okay, you can also come to this Bluetooth device option by just clicking on your start menu, and then click on the settings option, and then once again click on the device option. Okay, so here as you can see, I can add a Bluetooth device or other device from here, but before that I need to start my Bluetooth. So right now it's turned off, so I will just make it on. So now the Bluetooth is on my Windows operating system, and you will also see here this Bluetooth icon. So you can just click on this icon and then add a Bluetooth device from here also. So either you can click this option, add a Bluetooth device, by clicking on the Bluetooth icon, or just click on this option which says add Bluetooth or other device. And once you choose this option, you will see this Bluetooth option. So click on the Bluetooth option. Now your Windows 10 operating system will search for all the Bluetooth devices here, and because I haven't turned on my Bluetooth here, so I will just press this button for the Bluetooth on my JBL speaker. So now I can see this JBL Flip 4 option. So I will just click on this JBL Flip 4 option, and you can see it's connecting. And once it's connected, you will see this message which says connected voice music JBL 4, which is the name of my speaker here. And you will also see this option here also under audio, whatever audio devices which are connected to your Bluetooth. So I can see the JBL speaker is also connected via Bluetooth here. So now you can start playing your music, and it will be played on your Bluetooth device. So this is how you can connect a Bluetooth device with your Windows 10 operating system.